Hello, my incredible friends. Welcome back to Informative English Stories, your go-to place for heart-touching, life-transforming stories that motivate you and level up your English at the same time. Today, I've got one of the most inspiring, emotional, and mind-blowing success stories ever. The journey of Colonel Harlan Sanders, the man who started KFC, at the age of 65. But before we jump in, let me ask you a few questions. Are you 25 and convinced you've already failed in life? Are you 40 and still struggling, believing it's too late to make it big? Are you unemployed and feeling completely worthless? Do you watch successful people and think, success just isn't meant for someone like me? If you said yes to any of these, stop right there. You are not a failure. It is not too late. You still have plenty of time. And today, Colonel Sanders' story will prove it to you. This is the man who faced defeat after defeat throughout his entire life. At 65, he was broke, jobless, and had zero hope for the future. Yet at the very age when most people retire, he built a billion-dollar empire. Listen closely. After hearing this, you'll never again believe success has an age limit. Failure is simply part of the path. If you love powerful, motivational content, hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the like button so more people can watch this. Drop a comment saying, "I'll never give up," to declare your determination. I upload the best inspirational and educational stories every single day. Make sure you're part of this family. Now, let's dive into the unbelievable journey of Colonel Sanders, the man who turned endless failures into a global billion-dollar brand. The early struggles. On September 9, 1890, a boy named Harlan David Sanders was born in a tiny house in Henryville, Indiana, USA. Life was tough from day one. When Harlan was only 5, tragedy struck. His father passed away suddenly, leaving his mother to raise 3 young children alone. Imagine waking up as a 5-year-old and realizing your dad is gone forever. His mother had to work endless hours just to put food on the table, so little Harlan became responsible for the entire house. At age 5, he was cooking meals, looking after his younger siblings, and handling all the chores. And that's when something magical happened. He fell in love with cooking. Little did he know this childhood passion would one day change the world. No chance for school. Harlan was bright, but life didn't give him the luxury of education. 87, he was already working on farms. By 10, he was a full-time farmhand earning just $2 a month. 12, after his mother remarried and his abusive stepfather made life unbearable, Harlan ran away from home. What followed was a long chain of hardships. He worked as a streetcar conductor, firefighter, steam engine stoker, soldier in the U.S. Army, salesman, railroad worker, insurance agent, you name it. He tried everything, and failed at everything. He got fired over and over, went broke repeatedly, and by age 40 still had nothing to show for his efforts. Finally, at 40, he opened a small gas station in Kentucky and started serving his homemade fried chicken to travelers. People went crazy for it. Word spread, customers poured in, and for the first time it felt like his luck was turning. Then disaster struck again. A new highway was built, bypassing his station completely. Business died overnight. Back to zero. Rock bottom, again and again. To survive, he took whatever jobs he could find. At 44, a cafeteria cook. 48, a dishwasher. 50, a motel manager. Every time he thought he had stability, something went wrong. Fired, broke, forced to move. He even opened another restaurant, and it burned to the ground in a fire. Think about this for a second. Lost his father at 5. Ran away at 12. Failed at more than 20 different jobs. Started a business at 40. Destroyed by a highway. Started another. Destroyed by fire. Most people would have given up and accepted poverty as their fate, but not Colonel Sanders. He refused to see himself as a failure. He still had one priceless thing no one else did: his secret fried chicken recipe made with 11 herbs and spices. The crazy idea at 62, instead of opening yet another restaurant, he decided to do something no one had ever done: travel around selling his recipe to restaurant owners for a small royalty on every piece of chicken they sold. At 62 years old, wearing his signature white suit, he started knocking on doors. Most slammed the door in his face. Some laughed. Many said it would never work. He faced rejection after rejection, 100 times, 500 times, 1,009 times. While others his age were retiring and relaxing, he was sleeping in his car, eating cheap food, and hearing no every single day. Then, on the 1010th try, one restaurant owner finally said yes. That one yes changed everything. Slowly, more restaurants signed up. The chicken became a sensation. The miracle at 65. At age 65, a businessman saw the potential and invested. Together they founded Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. The man who was penniless and hopeless just a few years earlier suddenly became the founder of a massive company. In just a few years, KFC exploded across America. By the time Sanders was 73, there were over 600 locations. His unique, finger-licking crispy chicken took the world by storm, and today KFC is one of the biggest fast food chains on the planet. Colonel Sanders proved that age is just a number, that failure is just feedback, and that if you keep going, your biggest breakthrough can come when you least expect it, even at 65. So never, ever give up. Your story isn't over yet. Keep pushing, keep believing, because your KFC moment might be just one. More try away. If this story fired you up, like the video, subscribe, and comment. I'll never quit. See you in the next one. Stay strong. Rocket. But he hated dealing with business problems. Running a huge company was too much for him. He was old and tired. He had spent his entire life struggling, and now, even after achieving success, he still had no peace. He was traveling across America trying to manage everything, but he felt like he was losing control. The company was growing too fast, and he was too old to handle it alone. So he made a big decision. In 1964, at the age of 73, Colonel Sanders decided to sell KFC. He sold it to a group of investors for $2 million. That may not sound like much today, but back then $2 million was a huge amount of money. In today's value, it would be around $20 million. But here's the shocking part. He sold KFC for just $2 million. But today KFC is worth over $15 billion. Yes, you read that right. The brand he created was worth thousands of times more than what he sold it for. And this decision would haunt him for the rest of his life. After selling KFC, Colonel Sanders thought he would finally rest and enjoy life. He had money, he had fame, and he had success. But there was a big problem. The new owners of KFC started changing things. They started reducing the quality of the chicken. They started using cheaper ingredients to make more profit. And when Sanders saw what was happening, he was furious. He felt betrayed. KFC was his life's work. He had suffered for 65 years to build something amazing, and now in just a few years, these businessmen were ruining everything. So even though he had sold the company, he couldn't stay silent. He started publicly criticizing KFC. He even said, "That stuff they serve today is not my recipe. It's terrible." But no matter how much he complained, he couldn't take back the company. It was too late. He had sold it, and now he had to live with that decision. And that became his biggest regret. Even after selling KFC, Sanders didn't stop working. He was still passionate about food. So he started another restaurant called Claudia Sanders Dinner House, named after his wife. But legally, he could not use the name KFC anymore. Still, he kept traveling the world, visiting KFC locations, meeting fans, and spreading his story. He became one of the most famous and loved businessmen in the world. People saw him as a symbol of hard work, never giving up, and proving that success has no age limit. But soon his time was coming to an end. In 1980, at the age of 90, Colonel Sanders passed away. His life had been a journey of pain, struggle, failure, and success. He had lived through the loss of his father at 5 years old, running away from home at 12, doing more than 20 different jobs and failing at most of them, starting his first business at 40 and losing it, going broke at 62 and sleeping in his car, getting rejected 1,009 times before finding success, becoming a millionaire at 73, regretting selling his company, but still leaving behind an empire. Today, KFC has more than 27,000 restaurants in over 150 countries. It is one of the biggest food brands in the world. And it all started with one old man who refused to give up. What you can learn from his story: age is just a number. Colonel Sanders didn't become successful until his 60s, showing us that it's never too late to start chasing your dreams. Failure isn't the end. Sanders faced rejection after rejection, but instead of giving up, he kept pushing forward, learning from each failure and improving his strategy. Persistence pays off. Sanders was rejected 1,009 times. Most people would have given up long before that, but he kept going, and that perseverance eventually paid off. Follow your passion. Sanders was passionate about cooking and serving delicious food. It was this passion that drove him even in the toughest times. Believe in yourself. Despite facing obstacles that would have broken most people, Sanders believed in himself and his product. He refused to let others' opinions define his future. Colonel Sanders' story is a perfect example of what can happen when you don't give up. Whether you're 25 or 65, you have the power to change your life. You can take control of your future and make your dreams a reality. The only thing standing in your way is whether you choose to keep going or give up when times get tough. So if you're facing struggles right now, remember this: you're not alone. You can still achieve your dreams. And no matter how old you are, you still have time to succeed. Take action today. If you're inspired by Harlan Sanders' journey, don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take one small step today toward your dreams. Whether it's starting a new business, learning a new skill, or simply making a plan. Remember, success is not a straight line. It's a journey with ups and downs. But if you persist, you'll get there. And no matter where you are in life, it's never too late to start again and make your dreams come true. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories that can change your life. And as always, don't give up.